Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to IK Vids. And today I'm going to show you how you could go ahead and revamp an old headboard. So we're talking about a bed that we built back in 2014. And if you haven't watched the video on how we built that bed, that platform bed from scratch, I will put the link in the description. You can go and check it out and then come back to know exactly what we're talking about. Alright, so we built that bed 5 years ago, and right now the bed, as you'll see in the next clip, the mattress is doing great for us, and so is the bed frame. However, you'll see that the headboard, is not doing so great. Alright, so now it started showing signs of wear and tear, and the faux leather fabric that we use for the upholstery has started peeling off, and this is creating a real mess. So let's see what we are going to do about it and what are our solutions. So stay tuned and I'll see you at the end of the video. Alright, so we have two solutions to remedy this situation. The first one is more radical, so we're going to go ahead and reupholster everything. That is going to consume a lot of time, and it's not so budget friendly as well. Or we have a second solution which we'll go with, that is to use these peel and stick foam, which you can easily buy for peanuts at home improvement centers, for example. Alright, so we're going to peel and we're going to stick them on the MDF once it's revealed. And how we're going to reveal the MDF is, first of all, to remove these guys here. So they're screwed from behind, and once we remove all the screws, they're going to come off pretty easily, and then we can come and remove the nails here, and then we'll get to the MDF, which is underneath. And I'm sure that the MDF is in perfect condition. Alright, and we're going to mix a product to improve the adhesion, so this is very optional, right? And then what we do is that we take a sheet here, alright, and we're going to stick here, right, like that, and this will give us a totally complete a complete new look, right? So, and then what we do with the edges here, alright, for the MDF, we're going to use some PVC edge bending. So how we apply that? Simply, we're going to use contact cement. We're going to apply on the edges here and here as well, alright, and we're going to apply on the edge bending. We wait for 15 to 20 minutes, alright, for it to be dry to the touch, and then we're going to come and apply pressure. Alright, make contact with this MDF edge here, and we are going to apply even pressure to give it a finished look. Right. Okay, so let's go ahead and remove everything, and I'll see you after that. Okay, so here we are after 15 minutes trying to remove everything, and finally we got to the MDF, and as expected the MDF is still in perfect shape and is ready for the next step. And the next step here is to clean everything. Alright, we clean everything, and then we are going to mix the product I was talking about. So we have one part, it's called Polybond, right? So one part of that Polybond with one part of water. Alright, and we're going to brush everything on there. We wait for it to dry, and then we can start sticking that peel and stick for, right? So let's clean everything up, and I meet you after that. Well, thank you very much for watching till the end, and if you've liked the video, make sure you click on the like button, and if you have any questions, you can pop them in the comment section, and yeah, do subscribe, and don't forget to click on the notification bell in order not to miss the next videos. So thank you very much for watching, and until next time, peace out.